Heyyyy Luvas.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
So, yep, just getting up. I took my medicine too late. Now my eyes look full. But it helps me get sleep at night, y'all. I have a rough time sleeping for whatever reason. This just started to. But, so my doctor gave me some like medicine to help me go to sleep. And that should be on point, okay, period. I wish I knew the name of it, but I don't. And it gives me a little bit of an appetite. Because I don't know if I told you this either. I'm trying to gain weight because I've been tiny forever. Like forever, ever. And now it's just killing me. I'm just too small. My kid's about to be bigger than me in a minute. So, yeah, I'm sorry I look so dry. But, I'm over there doing Jules is right there getting ready to go. Jules is over there getting ready to go back to lunch. She's about to go back to class. She's at lunch. But yeah. Yeah, so, and then I'm waiting for these people to call me about my vehicle. I gotta set up an appointment for me to go in and get. I got a brain fart. What am I gonna get? Oh, I'm going to upgrade my update my car, my GPS. Damn. But yeah, I'm going to update my GPS because I'm trying to get it. Like, my car comes with an app, but I can't use the app because I don't know if I told y'all, but I have a 2015 Nissan Leaf. 2015 or 2014. One of them. But, my GPS and everything, I guess, is from whenever the last person had it. Because I only had one other owner, so maybe that was the last time they updated it in 2014. I don't know. So I needed to update that. But it was like $200 or something at Nissan. So I was like, okay, that's not bad. Because normally when I go to the dealership and to get any work done on my cars, it'd be the bag. You'd be like, well, hold up. I'm sorry. I'm taking it back. What am I purchasing again? Oh, oil change. $800 for oil change? Don't worry, I take it to Walmart. That's what you would be giving sometimes. So when they said $200, I was like, okay. And then I also wanted to inquire about getting a new battery. Because the newer ones have, wait for it, have 240 miles for a full tank. Or fully charged battery. So I was like, oh. So I want to go down there and see how much it'll be to get a new battery, or if I have to pay for it, or what I have to do if I wanted to eventually get a new battery within the next year. So, sorry, my voice is like giving, I don't even know. So, we're not doing nothing right now. I think it's raining outside. Yeah. Y'all, let me get ready for this call I told y'all I was waiting on. And I'm going to talk to y'all when we're done. That's just that was that. Yeah, so I'm gonna make me some lunch. But first of all, let's just get into my merch. I made this myself, so yeah, I'm sorry I'm so blah. I smoked a little bit of weed, but it's all good. It's all good in the hood, period. So that's why I'm moving a little slow, but went and got my usual. I love these. I don't know what it is about this kind, but it's really good to me. The ramen noodles don't do it for me. But I'm about to cook these in a minute. But first, y'all, I done had this little egg maker thing. Got this from Home Goods for $10. This is what it is. It like makes boiled eggs. I'm gonna try and use it. See how it go. Y'all, it looks like it's just really intricate, and I don't be having time. I opened it once before, but then there was too many parts and components. I was like, yeah, no. And I went ahead and put this back in the box. So it's already been opened, but That's how it looks in there. Real cute. Let me pull it out so I can show you. Oh, and it's called, let me tell you what it's called. It's by Dash. It's called the Rapid Egg Cooker. One touch cooking, 6 eggs capacity, 360 watts. So I'm gonna keep this box. Like I store all of my little Dash stuff. I try to store it back in the box because they're so small. It's easy to like stack on top of each other. So toss that over there. And y'all, now I done tossed it and I need a direction. Okay, I'm gonna try to point y'all down so I can see what's going on. Okay, so yeah, so I hope it don't look too messy. Excuse the scratch marks. It is what it is. But y'all, this is like a sticker. This is not the actual counter. The counter is actually like a grayish, greenish color. Not cute at all. If you were wondering, it's not. So I changed it. That's why it's all scratched up and cut up. But okay, so I'll be scared. Okay, so let's just open this. Y'all can look back up at me for right now until we get. My bad, y'all. But I don't know if I was just recording. But yeah, I'm gonna do a hard-boiled egg. So let's say for a hard-boiled egg, from 1 to 3 eggs, it's gonna take 12 minutes. Cup, which is so this is the measuring cup, and this if you want a hard-boiled, I'm gonna do hard-boiled. So I'm gonna do it all the way at the top. Sorry, my nails look ugly. I hate when my nails look like that. Like, and I do nails. Like, it's so that's some lazy shit. I know. Here's the egg piercer, that little thing. You see it right there. That's what I'm gonna use to pierce the egg with. And it say pierce the bottom of each egg. I'm only doing 2 eggs. So I'm gonna show you how I pierce it. I'm gonna pierce the other egg. And you put it in the, alright. And you put it in your machine with the hole up. Y'all see the hard-boiled egg line? Oh, and y'all, they have different like little pans for different types of eggs that you're doing. So they have, this is for poached egg. This one is for, so that's 2 other extra attachments they put in the bag. So now I'm about to plug this up. I didn't do any of it before it was plugged up because I didn't think that was safe. So I'm gonna put these eggs back. But yeah. So now I'm about to plug this bitch up. Alright, then it says cover and press the power button to begin cooking. Now we just gonna press, go to power button, y'all. So yeah. So since I'm done with that, now I'm about to put these up. And I'm gonna give it 5 minutes. And then I'm gonna start this because I think this takes 5 minutes. I eat these so much you would think I would know about heart at this point, but I don't. 5 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna let that cook and then I'm gonna get back with y'all when it's done. I can see if this hack work or not. Y'all about to be dead when y'all see what I'm about to do. I was dead when I saw it myself. I was like, what the fuck? Oh my God, that actually fucking worked. Like, yeah. And I'm not even on TikTok, y'all. That's Jules. Jules love her some TikTok. Me, I don't get it. So, yeah. All right, y'all, we're gonna let her cook. Making noise now. And they say cover and... Okay, y'all, so the eggs are done. I let them cool off for a minute. So this is how it looks. Ooh, it's hot though, y'all. So it said to poke a hole at the bottom and poke a hole at the top. So I poked a hole at the top, and then it said pretty much just crush up the bottom.
What?
It worked, y'all. It worked. The TikTok hack, yeah. Crack the top part a little bit.
The egg. I know you guys think that because I have glasses on, I'm blind when I take them off. I'm not.
Those are glasses. I probably think that she needs glasses, but she don't. She just.
Those are our school glasses for computer.
Just crack the bottom a little bit so it can come out. All right, back. So now you gotta blow it.
Oh, Mommy just got some noodles. And what are those? Are those hot, spicy? Hot peppers.
Hot and spicy noodles.
You got 2 of those?
Yeah, one for just drop the eggs in there. Oh, quickly wait for you to get deceased.
That's too much. Okay, Mommy. Okay. Those spicy things.
This is sloppy, mama.
Sloppy.
If you know, you know. If you don't, you're welcome. So if y'all don't have y'all a rapid egg cooker, go out and get you one. You can get it off of Amazon. I got mine from Home Goods. I also seen that Marshall's, Target is really the people that carry Dash the most. They have all this supplies like a popcorn machine to an ice cream maker. The Dash company brand, they have a lot. No, this video is not sponsored, but they have a lot of stuff. So, and they all really good. Like I have the waffle maker, I have the flat top. So I mean, Dash, if you want to, go ahead and sponsor the girl. All that information is down below. I'm just saying. But yeah, all of the appliances that I bought, I will pull out the little pancake and waffle makers, but the way they wedge down up in that pan cabinet is not giving. My energy level right now is not there. But I'll show you guys in a later video, like all of the Dash products that I have. They all work really good too. I ain't even lying. I'm gonna tell y'all what it is, what it ain't. But yeah, so that was that. My eggs look like they right. I haven't bitten into one to see how the yolk is, but I feel like it's gonna be pretty good. So let me go eat my little food and I'll talk to y'all when these eggs done. Gotta go. Team. High five. That's it. Great. That's it. Let's try another one. You gonna do this one by yourself? Tell me what word that is. Now this is a blend. Dur.
E. And this one.
Hey y'all, it's our first snow day. We suited and booted. Ain't a whole bunch of snow while we all bundled up, but it's cold. I do.
Everyone lives in this elevator.
Hmm?
Everyone lives in this elevator.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, can I see
I'm gonna take a picture when we get outside.
You come
I
downstairs.
have to see. Hmm?
Because when they put it down, to the trash and they come downstairs. You don't have to just make the other people clean it up.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Let's see who's over here. It's icy now. Y'all getting blurred up. It's too cold. It's too cold. The camera getting cold. This is all they wanted. This is all they wanted, y'all. And I just came outside to be cute. That's it. So, y'all, they just wanted to come play this little bit of snow. I wish I was a kid again. Not in the face. Only on the body. Y'all, we ain't got no gloves. Ooh, y'all, we made it back inside. Look what they got.
Yep.
Some hot cocoa.
Yeah, I can have the sofa so we can watch.
So we could watch a Christmas movie. Jingle, jingle.
You left my.
I need to put on something soon. Alright, y'all, hold on. I gotta go for a second so I can get my hair together. Gotta go.